welcome to a special course on protecting yourself from COVID-19 in the workplace. I'm Dr. Pervez Ahmed. This is lecture number 7 and the last sections of our lecture series. In these sections, we will have discussions on the mental health and stress and the role of the vaccine. So let's proceed towards today's lectures. So the first discussion we have that will be regarding the mental health and stresses. So as you know that with the increase in the number of COVID-19 cases, with that, I mean the people will have an increase in anxiety and the stress. So in order to reduce the anxiety and the stress, one has to consider the following step. That is, use your smartphone to stay connected to family and friends. Shift from texting to voice or video calling to feel more connected. Keep comfortables. So in order to keep compliment, do more of the things you enjoy at home. uh, Practice stress relief whenever you feel an anxiety building. Do some deep breathing exercise, a road, dig in the garden, whatever work for you. I mean, these are the steps which you can do for in order to reduce the stress, to getting relief from the stress you have at home. Avoid avoid unhealthy behaviors such as excess drinking, because it will just increase your anxiety afterward. Keep looking forward. That is, think about a plan you would like to make down. You would like to make down the roads. The role of the vaccine is against very important, especially while trying to keep you protect from the COVID-19. And you know that the case of COVID-19 will decreases with the administration of the vaccines. And you know that there are a number of vaccines they are still in developing process. When the vaccine is available, the people get the vaccine. So with that, we will have rapid decrease in the cases. If we are fortunate enough, so we will get or we will overcome in this disease. I mean, a few years or months to come. With the uptake of the vaccine and continued workplace controls in place, occupational exposures will decrease. People who are vaccinated can still be exposed and potentially expose someone else, even if they don't become sick. A continued focus on maintaining workplace preventives measure is important to protect workers in all industries. Uh, Workers have the right to receive workplace safety and healthy training in a language they understand. Be protected from potentially toxic chemicals like cleaner and disinfectants. Report an injury or illness and get copies of your occupational medical record. Get copies of the employer's log-up record, recordable work-related entries, and illness. Thanks. That's all we have for how to keep you protect from COVID-19. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the course. See you in more healthy courses. Till then, bye bye.